You know, during this time of self-quarantine, there are some advantages to it. Like, I don't have to shave, and I get to work in my pajamas all week long. Not a bad thing. But as a former world-class triathlete, I also know the importance of good nutritional needs during this time of home confinement. And like a world-class triathlete, a world-class storeroom must have accurate min-max levels of our supplies in order to ensure that we have the right materials at the right time. We establish these min-max levels on our most important or critical consumable items. For instance, I have min-max levels established during this home confinement. For instance, my most critical consumables: toilet paper, my nutritional needs, and of course, plenty of fluids so we don't dehydrate. So remember, our min-max levels are established based on our consumption rate and our lead times. Stay safe, stay healthy, everyone.